Education 50, The Final Project. The Opportunity Gap by Camille Davy, Yvette Diaz, Lachey Esler. So introduction, what is the opportunity gap? So basically it's an unequal access to quality schools, quality resources, and the overall opportunity to succeed academically. A great example of this is A Tale of Two Schools. This is a short movie that we watched for lecture, which actually followed the lives of two students who had very different paths in education due to an economic divide. So some statistics that we found good for use trying to explain the opportunity gap actually is students from historically disadvantaged families have a 51% opportunity to learn when compared to white non-Latino students, according to the Schott Foundation. So that is a great example because it just shows how big the gap is when it comes to opportunities for public education. Next is the importance of solution. So we want to really create equal opportunity. We actually have made a proposed solution for this issue in regards to what we have learned in the course, and the importance really stands out. So we think that creating a solution will create equal opportunity, and it will ultimately help the economy with better jobs and earnings because students will become working adults if there's no opportunity gap. They all go through college, and without that they can all get jobs after. So it creates better education system in the US so we can be up next to Finland. Information collected. So in regards to the information we collected for the solution, we took directly from the course materials to try to find the best way to solve this ongoing issue. So we took The Flat World in Education by Linda Darling Hammond. Mainly chapter 1 is where we focused. There's an educational inequality in America's future, so that was important to look at, especially week 1 in our lecture. Next, we looked at the video A Tale of Two Schools, part 1 and part 2, that both showed the importance that the opportunity gap solutions are and how they need to be implemented in the US. And then we also took the website Opportunity Gap Talking Points by the Schott Foundation. So next we have process. So the information collected and examined. As a group, one way that we examined and collected information is not by only looking into the United States, but by looking at other countries as well. So such as comparing the US to Finland. We also looked back on the effects of equal opportunity, and we looked at what happens in other countries where there is equal opportunity, such as job opportunities and the shortage of the wealth gap. So the opportunity gap plays a role in the life of minorities and social class divisions. So monetary restrictions should not determine the education one receives, really. In regards to group work, it was divided equally against everyone. So we all discussed who would choose what role within the final project. Communication and cooperation from everyone was great. We texted and made a Google Doc and kind of brainstormed before we made the slides. So as a group, we agreed on the proposed solution by throwing out all of our own ideas and jotting them down onto a Google Doc. Again, taking and processing each other's ideas. And then after we had numerous proposed solutions, so we decided on the ones that we felt were best, the ones that we learned about in lecture, and overall just the most strong for our argument. So yeah. Proposed solutions. So changes in teacher qualification. Example, background, experience, certification status. It has shown strongly to influence student achievement. So we discussed how Finland, they have only the top 10 percentile teachers teaching in schools who are up with doctors and lawyers and with their graduation class, which is super important in regards to teacher qualification. Access to high quality curriculum, so combination of ambitious and well-sequenced goals for learning. Intellectually challenging assignments and strong instruction. So this goes back to, this could mean teachers and students collectively very involved with each other, working towards the same goal of very clear curriculum at every public school. And then implement Finnish core principles. That's an obvious, as Finland comes to be, the top in the United States. So resources for those who need them the most, evaluation of education, qualified teachers, high standards and supports for special needs, balancing decentralization and centralization. So this basically is every little important quality that schools in Finland have that we should have here in the US, and this will ultimately help the opportunity gap close. Next, we have expected outcomes. So the expected outcome for the proposed solution is obviously success. Example Finland, and this is a great example because it proves that the solution will work, since as Finland is the top education system in the whole world, and if they do these have these qualities in their schools and they're the top, it proves that we can get there, one day if we follow their qualities and what they do in regards to education. So the proposed solution will solve the problem by shifting from a highly centralized system emphasizing external testing to a more localized, involved in the community. So systems in which highly trained teachers design curriculum, rather than state, just because every place is different. Every community, every society is different. So equitable distribution of resources rather than competition. So every single community has access to resources that are useful and needed in education and in classes from, preschool until college and through. So success will be measured through high school graduation rates and standardized test scores. So just as Finland does, the graduation rates are helped through smaller classrooms, qualified teachers, all those different qualities that we discussed in the earlier slides. And standardized test scores are a great way of seeing, where people are at and what they need to learn more of. And this will be a great idea too. These are references, and that's it. So thank you.